Hello everyone. Now we'll be studying some functions of advanced SQL. So basically, what do you mean by functions? Functions are a predefined set of instructions that perform operation on data and return a value. Now there is some instruction and we are providing some data, so it will return us the value. Let us study it with some of the examples. Now functions that are of two types: single row functions and multiple row functions. Now let's start with single row functions. Single row functions are again it is divided in three categories. First is mathematical functions, then string functions and date and time functions. So let's study one by one. First is mod. So here in MySQL, in the command prompt, we'll study mod. Suppose mod, over here in round brackets, if I give 10, 4 and then semicolon. Please do not forget this semicolon after every query. Mod 10, 4. So, sorry, we forgot to write the select. Select mod 10, 4. So, we get the answer 2. Now, what does this 2 means? Mod means the remainder. If we divide 10 by 4, the answer is, the remainder is 2. So, you will get 2. Mod in bracket 10, 2. We can also write it as 10% 4. Sorry, select 10% 4 and then semicolon. It will return the same answer. Let us consider some other example. It could also be written as 10 mod, suppose 3. 10 mod 3. The answer is 1. 3 into 3 is 9 and the remainder is 1. So this mod, it can be written in three ways. That is, select mod 10, 4 or else select 10 mod 4 or else select 10 mod 3. These are the three ways to remove the mod. Next is power. Now again we'll study this with one example. Select power. We'll use small numbers only, 5, 2 suppose. Select power 5, 2. So the answer is 25. What does this mean? This means 5 raised to 2, that is 25. Again, if we can use POWER for power. POW or else POWER. We can use any of this query. Let us see some other example. Suppose 4 raised to 2. That is 4 square. So it will be 16. Now next is round. Round means what? It gives us the decimal point is eliminated. Select round of, suppose, 4.2. So now the answer should be 4. It should return 4 because 2 is less than 5. That is why it will return only 4. Round will be this. If it is 0.5 or else 0.6 suppose, so it will return 5. It will round. It will round off the decimal. The answer is 5. You have studied this in maths, how to round. Next is square root. I think everyone knows what square root means. So let's study it with an example. Select square root, that is SQRT, of suppose 4. So what is the square root of 4? It is 2. So the answer is 2. Similarly, of 9, the square root, select square root 9, the answer is 3. Now the next command is sine. Select sine, S-I-G-N, sine of 9 suppose. So it is a positive number, so its sign will be 1. See, sign is 1. Now, if you give the number 0, it will return sign is 0 because 0 has no sign. 0 is nor negative nor positive. If we give suppose -7, so it will give us, the answer will be -1. Its sign is -1. See, the answer is -1. The next command is truncate. Now truncate also will I understand it with an example. Select truncate, suppose 7.456, 1. So I'll execute it. So what has it returned? 7.4. That means only a single digit after this decimal point will be displayed. Now here truncate 7.456, 1 means it will return only one digit after the decimal, that is 7.4. Now, if I write 7.456, -1, I'll increase the digit, suppose 71, 4.456, -1. See the output, it is 70. This 1 is eliminated. Let's change the digit. If it is 76.456, -1. Again the answer is 70. That means here this one digit after before the point, it will be 0. Now if we write it as 2, -2, 76.456, -2 means 0, 0 will be returned. The value will be 0, 0 will be returned. Both the values before the decimal, it will be 0, so 0 is returned. This was all for today. Thank you.